Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy brownies. First, ensure you're using a higher proportion of brown sugar to white sugar. This adds essential moisture. Next, melt your butter and chocolate together until smooth, creating a rich, fudgy foundation. Finally, when combining your wet and dry ingredients, mix just until combined. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to a cakey, rather than chewy, texture. For that ultimate chew, consider adding an extra egg yolk to your batter. This boosts richness and contributes significantly to a dense, chewy texture. Also, a secret ingredient for many is 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. It helps retain moisture and prevents crystallization, keeping your brownies soft. Don't forget to use a high-quality cocoa powder for a truly decadent chocolate flavor. Baking temperature and time are crucial for chewy brownies. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until the edges are set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. This usually takes around 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your pan size. Pulling them out slightly underdone ensures they finish cooking with residual heat, maintaining that perfect chew. Patience is key for the final step. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan, ideally for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This allows them to set properly, resulting in a denser, chewier texture and cleaner cuts. For the neatest slices, use a plastic knife. It glides through without sticking. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. They truly are worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.